MCF was founded in 1989 and is a renowned leader on the Italian market for the research, development and realization of safety belts for original equipment market and special vehicles. MCF's products have been used in the most important international marketplaces for a very long time now. Thanks to our in-house technical and testing laboratories division, it's possible to design restraint systems in accordance to the customer's particular needs, as well as undertaking the relative type approval tests with the main European approval authorities. MCF's main production line is aimed at the manufacturers working in the field of the automotive industry, paying particular attention to the bus sector, motorhomes, racing vehicles, tractors, forklift trucks and health-related systems including disabled, quadricycles and special vehicles. MCF also has interests in the naval and aircraft industry. MCF's plant extends over 2 covered areas of over 3,000 square meters, of which 1,500 are dedicated to production. The offices and the laboratory occupy 600 square meters, whereas 1,400 square meters are given to the material warehousing. The high quality of the workmanship, the reliability of a sure and punctual service, and with a constant updating of the rolling stock and internal professionalism have made MCF an entrepreneurial reality in constant growth in terms of turnover and not only. The solidity by now consolidated of the firm and the acquisition of new important customers, also crossing the borders of the national market, have in fact created in time the premises for an increase of the human resources of the firm. For a long time, MCF has devoted great attention to the themes of health and environmental respects. A secure and tidy workplace, perfect maintenance of the technical tools, the complete observance of safety, pollution and waste disposal legislation represent essential conditions to do a good job. Over the years, the production potential has risen steadily up to where it's now reaching a current level of over 1 million pieces a year. Thanks to the flexibility of its structure, MCF is the ideal partner to satisfy the different demands of the small, intermediate and large industry. MCF uses in its production modern automatic equipment, assuring fast and accurate control on all the operations of assembly and verification of the components, from the arrival of the semi-finished products to the final packaging. The data recording of the whole manufacturing process guarantees the customer the traceability of the safety systems according to the specifications put in place by the main manufacturing body of automobiles. All MCF safety systems are developed, produced and controlled in the context of a quality system that conforms to the international standard ISO 9001-2000. MCF's quality system is intended as a company tool for rationalizing and improving all company activities, with the aim of totally satisfying the customer's needs and expectations, at the same time improving the company image, increasing competitiveness and making the most of the operative and management efficiency. MCF follows the customer from the study and development of the safety belt right up to its type approval through the relative approval authorities, conforming to European and United States standards for the vehicles categories M, N and according to the FIA standard for the racing sector. Having qualified technical staff and a well-equipped testing laboratory allows MCF to carry out tests on the materials, components and on the finished products with a purpose to manage meticulously all the phases of the assembly process, guaranteeing the perfect conformity of its own production. Quality, service, reliability and competitiveness are the characteristics that have allowed MCF to develop on the main international markets. MCF, a dynamic and modern firm completely in line with the actual demands of the global market.